Welcome to our channel. In this informative video, we will show you how to repost a deleted photo on Instagram. So we will provide you a very easy steps and a short tricks to repost a deleted photo. So first you have to go to your profile and first we will delete a photo in front of you and then we will repost it. So I delete this photo, click on it. So we will delete it by clicking on the three dot. So to delete it, click on the delete button. So from here we delete it. So let's click on the delete. So the photo is deleted from here. You see that the photo is absent. So to recover it, we will go to our profile and then click on the three dot. So now click on the your activity. In your activity you see the option recently deleted. You see the option recently deleted, click on it. So this is the photo which we deleted at this time. So we deleted this photo at least 17 days ago, and similarly this one we deleted at least 6 days ago. So we will recover it the photo which we deleted recently. So click on the three dot to recover it. You see the option restore. To repost it, click on the restore option. So you see that if you delete it from your profile, great people will able to see that. Read it carefully and then click on the restore. Once you click on the restore, your photo will be reposted to your profile. So once it done, we will go to our profile and show you that the photo is reposted. Click on the view on profile. So here we will show you that the photo is reposted. Yes, this is the photo which is reposted. Thanks for watching.